This is one of the most important biometrics that modern devices track because it reveals something you cannot feel directly, and that's your internal stress load. Not just emotional stress, but it can be biological stress, inflammatory stress, metabolic stress, immune stress, neurological stress. HRV is not your heart rate. It's the variation in time between heartbeats. And that variation is controlled by your autonomic nervous system. And the system that decides, your autonomic nervous system is the system that decides whether you are in fight or flight or rest and repair, survival mode or healing mode. This is what you have to understand. A healthy nervous system is flexible. It can ramp up when needed and come back down efficiently. That flexibility is called resilience. And HRV is a measurement of that resilience. So higher HRV is a measurement. Higher HRV does not mean you're superhuman. It means that your system can adapt. Lower HRV doesn't mean failure. It means that your system is under load. So something is demanding resources, something is draining recovery, and the body is prioritizing survival over restoration. HRV is not judging performance, it's revealing allocation, where your energy is being spent. So when HRV trends downward over time, it often reflects chronic inflammation, poor sleep architecture, gut stress, toxic burdens, overtraining, emotional overload, blood sugar instability, hidden infections, hormonal strain. Your body is fighting battles that you may not consciously notice yet. And this is why HRV is such an early warning system. Symptoms show up late, but HRV shifts early. You might still feel fine, but your nervous system is already compensating. It's like watching the fuel gauge drop before the engine sputters. And here's the crucial teaching moment.